In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your WordPress website on the Google search engine in 25. Whether you're setting up your first site or need a refresher, this guide will help you ensure that your website can be found in Google search results. To get started, make sure your website is live and accessible. This means it should be hosted on WP Engine or a similar platform and connected to a public domain name. This is crucial because Google needs to access your site to crawl it for indexing. Once you've confirmed your site is live, the next step is to log into the Google Search Console. If you haven't done this before, simply go to search.google.com/search console. This tool is essential for monitoring your site's presence in Google search results, providing insights and diagnostic information that are invaluable for maintaining your site's visibility. Once you're logged into the Search Console, you'll want to add your site as a property. You can do this by selecting the option to add a property, choosing the URL prefix method, and entering your website's URL before hitting Continue. This step tells Google's tools which website you're interested in tracking and managing. Now it's time to verify your ownership of the website, which is a security measure Google uses to make sure that only site owners can access their site's data. The recommended way to do this is by uploading an HTML file to your site's file manager via WP Engine, or by adding an HTML tag to your WordPress header. Either method is fine, so choose the one you find easiest. With ownership verification completed, submitting your sitemap to Google is your next critical task. Sitemaps help search engines understand the structure of your site and find its pages more efficiently. In Google Search Console, navigate to Index, then Sitemaps, and add your sitemap by entering the URL of your sitemap, typically found at your domain.com/sitemap.xml. Additionally, it's essential to make sure your site isn't inadvertently blocking search engines. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then Reading, and confirm the option Discourage search engines from indexing this site is unchecked. This small step can make a huge difference in ensuring your pages are visible to search engines. If there are key pages you want Google to notice right away, you can request indexing in the Search Console. Use the URL inspection tool by entering the URL of the page and requesting indexing. This process signals to Google that they should prioritize looking at this specific page next. Finally, you'll need to be patient. Google crawling and indexing can take time, anywhere from hours to a few days, depending on various factors. Once complete, congratulations! Your WordPress site is officially published on Google Search Engine, allowing users to find your content as they explore the web. Thank you for following along today, and I hope your website finds great success in reaching a wider audience.